Alright y'all, so here we got a Metatrader 4 open in the VPS. So basically setting this up, as you can see we got the old Hamilton here with the Quicksilver, all that. If you look at the settings, see it's got these, and if you look at this new one, it's got the exact same settings. It's just unlocked. So it's basically the same thing as the old one. You just want to come in, make sure all these boxes are checked, and then here you got your settings. You could probably turn the Friday off with this one. This would be the only one down here you would want to mess with if you want to change this. This is just the amount of pips that it will try to take profit at. So with right now with the one lot at 50 pips, if you buy when it goes up 50 pips, it'll close out for it'll be a 50-cent profit. If you set it to 100, it'll be $1 profit, or if I set this to like 0.03 and leave it, it'll close out $1.50 profit when it moves 50 pips. You can just leave that how it is. The lot setting is pretty self-explanatory. The way this thing works, it does cost averaging. So say like right here, if it makes a buy, then if it goes down, so the grid, that's the amount of pips. So if it goes down 50 pips, it will open another buy, and if it goes down another 50 pips, it'll open another buy. So you can decrease the amount of trades it takes by raising this to like 200. So with the lots, if I have it at 0.01 and let's say grid's at 50, it'll open a buys right here, and then it goes down 50 pips, it will open another buy, but it will do it at 0.02, and then if it goes down another 50 lots, it'll open another buy at 0.04, etc., where it keeps doubling every time. So you can get into some pretty fat drawdown pretty quick. So what I do, if let's say I got these 3 pairs running and these 2 are doing good, but the Australian dollar one is in huge drawdown, I'll just come over here to this one and change the grid to like 50,000 or whatever, so that it will not take any more trades. The difference though, you could just turn it off by clicking the auto trading button, but that would turn it off for all the windows, or you could just close that chart. But if you do either of those, then the software cannot exit out of trades at a good time. For example, if I closed that window and then went to sleep, and there was a time overnight when I could have gotten out at a profit, if I do this method, it's still able to exit out at profit. It just won't take any more trades. So things to keep in mind: the more charts you have open, the higher your drawdown will be, and the lower your grid, the lower your drawdown will be in general. The default's 50. It seems that's a little low for me. I usually do like 150 or so. You can play around with the lots, but I would suggest starting with 0.01 to test it out. No monthly fee on this, so there's not like a minimum amount you have to make to break even either. If you need help installing it, you just come up to File, you open the data folder, and you come in here to the experts, and this is where you'll put the file. And then you want to come here, hit refresh, and it'll show up, and then you just drag it on, check the boxes, do your settings however you want, and then you want it to be on the 5-minute chart. And then to make it easy, you can come in here to save template and save it as the default, and that way whenever you open a chart, it'll just automatically be on there with the settings you had previously set it at. And then all you do is click the auto trading button right there and you're good to go.